Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw metal knuckles. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with metal knuckles, let's begin with the eyebrows. So I'm going to begin right here and let's just make a V shape. We're just going to go down and then we're going to come back up. Next, starting right here, let's make a little sad face for where the nose is going to be. Then I'm just going to go down and then I'm going to come up and down like this. Same thing here. We're just going to go down and then let's come up and down like that. Now for the eyes, let's curve a line down and then let's curve a line down. Now for the eyes, let's make a little skinny oval shape here and then one here. Then we're going to make a second one right around each one to kind of shape out the eyes. So just those two oval shapes. Now starting here, let's bring this line down. And then we're just going to connect it right over to here. Let's make an oval shape on each side. Then let's go ahead and put a smaller oval shape inside of there. Now, for the nose, let's make a small point with a little curve at the bottom. Now, let's bring these lines out just a little bit. Then I'm going to bring this down by the cheek. And then same thing here. We're going to bring this down right by the cheek. We're going to make it come a little bit farther down. Next, I'm going to go over and I'll bring this up. Then I'll make another one a little bit higher. We're going to go over and we're going to bring this up. Same thing here. Over and then up. Then a little bit higher, over, and then we're going to bring it up. Now on this outside one, let's just bring this line up and then over to here to connect it for the head. Now for the body right here, let's begin by making a line that's just going to come down. We're going to go over and then bring it back up. For some detail on there, let's go ahead and draw one and then two smiley face shapes. Next, we're going to go down, over, and up. And let's put a small line across here. For the legs, let's make a circle on each side just to kind of start where the legs are going to be. We'll make two small lines that come down. Then let's go ahead and add a small rectangle shape. Now, starting here, let's make a little rectangle shape that's not touching anything, and we'll do the same thing here. We're kind of going to start the shoes. So we're just going to make this small little rectangle shape. Then we're going to go over, down, and come back. Same thing here, over, down, and come back. Then we'll just connect these with a little bit of a curved line. We're going to make a little rectangle shape right underneath here for the shoes. So we're just going to make this little rectangle shape. Then we're just going to bring this line down. We're going to come over and up. Same thing here, bring this down. We're going to come over and then up. We'll make a line across for the bottom of the shoes. We'll put a circle shape kind of back towards the heel. And then we'll just make a line here and a line here. Let's make a skinny rectangle on the top of each shoe. And then we'll put a couple little bumps on here for some detail. Now let's make the arms. So let's begin with about a half circle on each side here. Then we're going to make 2 lines that come down on each side. Then we're going to make a little rectangle shape here that's going to go behind the hair. Same thing here. It's a little rectangle shape. It's going to go right behind the hair. We'll make another small rectangle shape right here. Then we're going to leave some space and we're going to make a large rectangle shape right out here that's kind of floating. Do that same thing. Leave some space. We're going to make this large rectangle shape that's floating. And you can see I made the ends just a little bit bigger than the top here. Next, let's kind of connect it with a little bit of a circular shape. Now I'm going to make a line here. And then I'm going to make a pointy triangle. Then I'm going to make a line up here, and it's going to come down and back for another triangle. Let's do that over here. We're going to make this line, come down, and then back up for a pointy triangle. And then same thing here, come up, down, and back for that triangle. Next, we're going to bring this down and then straight down like that. Same thing here. We're going to bring this towards the triangle and then go up. Same thing here, towards the triangle and down, and then towards the triangle and up. Then let's put a small skinny rectangle on the top of each hand for some detail. Now back here, we're going to finish off the hair by making a line that goes up and then in here, and then same thing here, kind of angle and then up. And then we're going to make 2 lines here. I made this one a little bit shorter than this one. So we're going to draw this line and then make this one back here a little bit shorter. And there you go. There is your drawing of a metal Knuckles from Sonic. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.